Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. But before we get into this wig review, I'm so excited because I feel like I haven't done a wig review in like forever. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then of course hit that bell to get notified so you can be a part of the notification squad. But let's get into this wig. So this is my first ever Amazon wig, so I'm excited to try it. So it is by YIROO. I don't know if it's YIROO or YIROO, I don't know, but they have a bunch of cute wigs on there. But I decided to try the gray one because I haven't done gray yet, and I haven't done this style. I haven't done this short of a length, so I'm pretty excited to try this out. So it is YIROO hair. So this is the info right there. And then on the back of the box, I love that it comes in a nice little box because I love when wigs have their own like little case you can keep them in if you need to. So it says the right way to measure wigs, and then it has how to wash your wig and how to maintain human hair wig in shape, all that good stuff. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh. Okay, so this is the wig. It doesn't come with the little net. Most wigs come with that little net on it. So this is the first time I think I've seen one. Oops, of course I'm dropping my box per usual, you guys. So this is the first time I'm seeing one without a net. But let's see. So it does have like a strong smell, so I'm definitely gonna have to wash it. But this is what it looks like. This is the lace. OMG. The lace is so soft, you guys. Ooh, it's soft. This is the part here. So I'm probably going to, of course, have to tweeze it. All that good stuff. It has the two combs here. And then it also has your adjustable straps. And then it also has another comb here. So that's what it's looking like. And then it also came with some wig caps, which is nice. It's always nice to get a little extra something in there, and then some eyelashes. So that's cool. I love when companies just throw extra stuff in there. I think it's cool, and packaging is everything. So we are going to get this wig together. I'm going to cut the lace. I'm going to wash it and do some stuff to it. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on before I do everything, and then I'm going to show you guys after. So this is the wig on. I didn't have to put the adjustable straps in yet. I did put the comb. So it feels pretty good on my head, but as you can see, like it's moving up a little bit. So of course I'm going to probably use the adjustable straps, but it's like a pretty good fit. So this is what it looks like before I get this baby and put in this work. So let's see what it looks like. So this is the finished look. I am feeling this wig, you guys. I'm obsessed. I love it. I cut some bangs. Oh, it's bomb. And I still have the part there, so if I want to put my part I can, but I love it. I definitely want to buy this in all black because it's just bomb, you guys. I'm like obsessed. I think it's cute. I put my adjustable straps in so it's a little tighter. I didn't even have to put the comb in, which I usually hate putting the combs in because it usually hurts me. So the adjustable straps did enough back there so I don't have to put the combs in. I didn't have to put these combs in. Like, this fits great to my head. It fits really good. I think it's just adorable. I'm loving this style. It's something different. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think about me in gray with this short of a length? Because you guys know I always do long wigs with this style with curls. I don't usually do curls like this. So let me know what you guys think. I feel like curls are really hard to find when you're ordering online, and to find one that the curls, they're tight but they look good, and you can look at this, it just, your fingers go right through it. It's very soft. This is the softest lace wig I feel like I've ever had, and for the price, $36, and you can get this in black as well. I mean, like, this is bomb. Like, I definitely give it a big thumbs up. I love it. I love the way it came out. It smells great now. Like, oh my gosh. It's adorable, guys. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on picking up this wig, what color you're gonna get. They do have, of course, tons of other wigs. They have weaves, ponytail pieces. They have so much on Amazon. So I was really impressed to be able to find a wig from Amazon. Again, only $36. You cannot beat that. So I definitely say this is a must buy. I give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.